Assalamu alaikum friends, how have to be guys, most welcome. Hope so friends you also fine. So friends you also fine. In this video I'm introducing beautiful ideas that are more beautiful and elegant information ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can get a different thinking information ideas. I'm introducing the beautiful starter dresses collection ideas where I'm introducing uploading this video. You'll find gown top. So friends you also find and you can enjoy this beautiful video. Kindly friends subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoy this beautiful information ideas. These are very beautiful and elegant information ideas. You can enjoying its beautiful video. Hope so friends you can enjoying its beautiful information ideas. You can gain a different thinking information ideas that I'm introducing. Hope so friends you will enjoying its beautiful video. Kindly friends subscribe my YouTube channel. You can enjoying its beautiful video. And these are very beautiful elegant BODYCON ideas that I'm introducing with you. Hope so friends you will enjoying the greatest super collection ideas where I'm introducing. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can gain a different thinking information ideas that I'm introducing with you. Hope so friends you will enjoying my video different style ideas where I'm introducing. You can gain a different thinking information ideas because these are most beautiful, attractive, strategic ideas I'm sharing with you. Kindly friends subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoy its beautiful video. Hope so friends you will gain a different thinking information ideas because that's are very beautiful, elegant ideas that I'm introducing. You can gain a different thinking collection ideas because I'm sharing a beautiful information collection ideas related to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. I hope so you will enjoying its ideas that I'm introducing and that's very beautiful elegant ideas. Hope so friends you will enjoying my beautiful styles ideas where I'm introducing and you can gain a different thinking information ideas. These are very beautiful and elegant strategic ideas where I'm introduced elegant bodycon dresses ideas and have a very pressurized Thank you so much. Have a nice day with best wishes.